Hello friends, today we will do chapter number 8, playing with multiple sprites. Scratch is a popular programming tool that is widely used for creating animations, games and programs. To create a project in Scratch, you can drag and drop blocks from the blocks palette to the script area and combine them. The sprite behaves according to the type of blocks added in the script. You have earlier learned about some important components of Scratch 3.0 window. In this chapter, we will learn about some more components. More components of Scratch 3.0. Let us know more about the Scratch 3.0 window. Menu bar. It consists of File menu, Edit menu and Tutorials. They provide easy access to commands that you will use while creating your project. Stage size. It allows to toggle between three stage sizes: small stage layout, regular and full screen. Stage. Stage is the area on the Scratch screen where the sprite moves and performs actions according to the script. Sprite. It is an animated object in the project controlled by the scripts. Sprites can be created, uploaded from your computer or found in the Sprite library. Sprite info pane. It contains all the information such as name, style, position, coordinates and thumbnails for each sprite in your project. When you select a sprite on the stage, the respective thumbnail gets highlighted. Choose a sprite button. It is located at the bottom right corner of the Sprite info pane. When you hover the mouse pointer over the button, it displays four options: choose a sprite, paint, surprise and upload sprite. Choose a backdrop. It is located to the right of the choose a sprite button. When you hover the mouse pointer over the button, it displays four options: choose a backdrop, paint, surprise and upload. Script. Script is a sequence of blocks that are added in the code area from the blocks palette. The sprite follows the script and performs various actions. It is also called program or a program block. Code area. It is the area where the blocks are added from the blocks palette and the script is built. Code tab. The code tab contains various blocks which are used to create a script for the sprite. The blocks are organized into 9 block categories. Add extension. It is located at the bottom left corner of the code tab. It is used to load additional blocks to a project. These extensions are music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, and so on. Costumes tab. Costumes tab is used to add different costumes for the sprite. You can choose a costume from the various options provided in Scratch. You can also paint or upload a costume of your choice. The last is Sounds tab. Sounds tab is used to add sounds in the Scratch project. You can choose a sound from the various options provided in Scratch. We can also record or upload sounds of our own choice. Next topic is about adding a new sprite. When we open Scratch, by default, the cat sprite appears on the stage. If we wish to change the sprite, we can delete the cat sprite and add a new sprite from the library or create a new sprite. Method 1. Choose a sprite from the library. This button allows you to select the sprite from the inbuilt library. To add a sprite from the library, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Choose a Sprite button. Second, choose a sprite window opens as shown. The library has 9 categories of sprites. Step 3. From the multiple options available, we can select any category of sprites. Select any sprite and click on it. It gets added to the Sprite Info pane. Method 2. Paint new sprite. Step 1. By clicking on this button, the Paint Editor window opens. Step 2. Select the Paint option. A Paint Editor opens as shown. Step 3. We can draw a new sprite using the paint tools present on the left side of the window. The newly created sprite is placed at a random location on the stage, generally the center of the stage. Method 3. Upload sprite. The Upload Sprite button lets you add any image from your computer in the Scratch project. To upload a sprite from your computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Upload Sprite button. Step 2. An open dialog box appears. Locate and select any image that you intend to add in your project. Click on the Open button. Method 4. Surprise. This button enables you to add random sprites from the library. Next topic is working with two sprites. Let us see how we can add more than one sprite in a Scratch project and create scripts for them. Step 1. Open a new project in Scratch. Step 2. Click on the Choose a Sprite button and add any two sprites of your choice on the stage. Step 3. You can click, drag and place these sprites anywhere on the stage. You can also adjust the size of the sprites. Step 4. To operate both the sprites, you need to create scripts for them. To create script for the sprites, select the sprite by clicking on it and add blocks in the script area. Note that when one script or sprite is selected, the script for another sprite is hidden. You can create a script for one sprite and then click on another sprite from the sprites list. Then create a script for the second sprite. Now first select the cat sprite which is added on the stage by default. Create a script for it similar to figure shown. Now click on the second sprite. We will observe that a new script area appears in the same project. We can create the script for this sprite similar to the figure. Click on the green flag button. Both the scripts will execute together. Thank you.